What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of this video where we have just been knocking stuff out. It's actually Friday night, and we just got that BlueTop steering gear in, so I'm so excited. I wanted to get it on, get everything situated. We're getting ready to slap the rims and tires on this thing and drop it down and pull it out. So super excited about that. I knew I wanted to do something with that steering gear. I wasn't sure if I was going to go with a redhead or not. That's normally what I've used in the past, but I've heard really good things about the BlueTop steering gears, and so I figured I'd give them a shot, try them out. They're actually a little bit cheaper than the redhead steering gears, so it's a little more affordable for everybody. And then from what I understand, the person who created BlueTop actually used to work at Redhead, so I'm guessing quality is probably similar. But then I guess the current owner is different from who actually started the company. So anyway, heard really good things. We're going to give it a shot, try it out, and see what happens. Everything seems to be going very smoothly. Packaging was amazing. Actually, I would say probably a little bit better than Redhead. So so far, so good with everything. Like I said, we're going to get the rims and tires on. You guys also saw we did every steering linkage and coupler, everything. So everything in the steering is brand new, including the pitman arm, the steering gear, and then all the linkages. Everything is from Ford, including the pitman arm is from Napa, but the steering gear, BlueTop. So, but all of our linkages are from Ford, greasable. That's just the way they sell them, or else I'd probably try to go non-greasable. So, yeah. Let's quit talking. We'll get rims and tires on this thing and pull it outside. Alright guys, so we are in the King Ranch. We're all warmed up. Steering is just a hair off. I mean, we got it close. Either way, we're going to get the whole front end realigned anyways. But yeah, you can see the steering, as far as play goes, is very, very minimal. Like, very minimal. Like, maybe a quarter of an inch, I would say. Which at 273,000 miles, I'm thinking mostly that little bit of play. You're going to have a little bit of gear play, but then you're also going to have a little bit of play in your actual shaft of your steering. So, nothing I'm concerned about. I'm super happy. So the truck is actually riding really nice too. I did want to mention that. We took out that leveling kit that was in the front. So we're on factory, 2 springs up front, and then in the rear we went to a one-piece drive shaft, and then we also took out the block that was underneath the leaf springs in the back of the 2-inch block. So the truck rides really good, and I haven't even done anything with the shocks, and let me tell you, the shocks were shot. So, oh my gosh, there was a deer. But yeah, the truck is riding fantastic. We still have to do the sway bar links, but first we're probably gonna get aligned, get the sway bar links on, and yeah, so far so good. Really enjoying this truck. Might have to keep this thing. We just might have to keep this thing. So now you guys really get the chance to see we got this thing lowered down a little bit. Last time you guys saw it, the back end was low, but the front end was high. Well, now she's got just a teensy bit of rake in the back, and it is beautiful. We got them all posted up. Well, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. It's getting late, Friday night. We got to get to bed. We got some things going on for the weekend. So, yeah, I'm super excited about the truck. It's going great. We might just end up pulling the engine and going through that because right now we're making sure we do everything right. Everything's getting brand new pieces put on it. So, you know, being that a King Ranch, I want to do it justice. I gotta take care of the thing. So, we might go crazy and pull the engine out next. So, stay tuned. Definitely, guys, we got a lot of cleanup to do. Look at that. Oh, man, it might be leaking a little oil, too. So, stay tuned for the next episode. If you guys are new, subscribe. Like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And we will see you guys in the next video.